What would you like for lunch today?
Noodles?
Hello and welcome to Lazy Girl Bang Bang Noodles. How would you bang bang noodles? B-I-N-G? Well, we need a pan.
Oil?
I saw a guy today talk about how plastic cutting boards have microplastics, so don't use this. But get your spring onions. What is the water in here? It looks like pulp orange juice. Noodles! Garlic, chili flakes. Oh. Soy sauce. We're adding rice vinegar because apple cider vinegar is nasty. Also, don't put that much soy sauce. That was a mistake. Do a dollop of peanut butter. Oh shit. Grab your mug of noodle water. Yay. All our greens turn brown. Grab sugar you stole from the coffee shop. Actually, you paid $6 for your coffee, so you earned this packet of sugar. Noodle. Oh. Wow. Coriander powder, but it's not powder. Is it coriander or cilantro? That looks bomb. If you're trying to impress someone, put a little sesame seeds. They won't know what hit them. Ooh la la. Oh. And now we're chefs. There you have it, folks. One bowl of bang bang noodles. Let's try it. Done. Bye.